Welcome to Luvlines.
Chicken with mushroom in oyster sauce. Lagay ng mantics. Bawang at sibuyas. Mushroom. Paminta. Tapos hot water. And then taasan ng chicken cubes. A little of magic. Konti lang. Cornstarch. Para maging malapot. Alright. Luto na siguro yung mushroom. I'm gonna put the gulay afterwards. And the seaweed. Ay, ang ganda-ganda. Luto na ba si? Pag luto na to, ilalagay ko na yung mga sibuyas. Aba, kasan yung isang kaputol na wala? Dalawang puto lang kasi itong beans. Where's the other beans? Ayun, nasa ilalim. Ayan. So there you are. Luto na. I'm gonna put the onions. Oh, cute. And then, papatayin ko na to kasi yung init niya ay siya nang magluluto. Oh my god, they look so yummy. Oh, di ba colorful? See? Yan. Ayan. So, that's the advantage of using this heat conduction plate. Yan.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Luvlines. Have a good day and God bless.